if you know names. She's a prostitute. A shower.
You will not be sure.
It should never be there with you. At your age, you are trying to do this one to your fellow teenager. At your age, you are trying to do this one. You will die if you see.
And look at the person causing everything. Look at him.
This is the guy.
This is the guy here.
Start opening the phone. How you did everything. How you send message to Gina on send and screenshot so that it will look real. Start showing them.
Have you disabled the pin, the password yet? Please do that fast. I have other things to do. Hello, can you write? You can write. You can write. You. Huh? Yes, you can write. Okay.
This is the idiot.
This is the idiot.
Yeah. You and that.
Idiot.
Look at who I'm
Let your face up.
You don't wish for you to bring out all your this thing. Your hand is